Write a TV ad about the status of ChatGPT. The ad opens with a shot of the ChatGPT website on a computer screen, with a busy loading symbol in the center. The camera then pans out to reveal a bustling office, with engineers working at their desks and typing on their computers. A voiceover begins. At OpenAI, we're dedicated to bringing you the best in artificial intelligence technology. Our team of engineers works tirelessly to make sure our chatbot is always up and running, ready to answer your questions and provide helpful insights. The camera cuts to a shot of 3 engineers sitting at a table, sipping on their morning coffee. They look up and turn to face the viewer. One of them speaks. Unfortunately, due to the high volume of users currently trying out ChatGPT, we're experiencing some technical difficulties. Please bear with us and check back soon for access to our chatbot. The ad ends with a close-up of the OpenAI logo, with the words, "Artificial Intelligence made by humans," superimposed over it. Thank you so much for watching this video and subscribe to our channel for more update about ChatGPT.